cia githirikari ndomwe na itari cia githirikari ni ikanyitanĩire mũbango-inĩ wa gũteithĩrĩria kũhũrana na ng'aragu na makĩria kaunti iria cikoretwo cikĩgomerwo na njĩra nene nĩ ng'aragu ĩno arĩ hamwe na Laikipia, Isiolo oro ndomwe na Marsabit. Nĩ mũbango ũĩkaine ta Beat the Locust na ũrĩa ũtanyĩtwo gũkorwo ũgĩteithĩrĩria aikari mwena ũyũ oro ndomwe na mahiũ ma gũkorwo magĩcihũthĩra kana makĩhũthĩra tutambi na tũrĩa tũgĩkoretwo tũkĩgũmĩra magetha oro ndomwe na irio cia oro ndomwe na nyeki ya mahiũ mwena ũyũ gũcihũthĩra ta irio ciao oro ndomwe na cia mahiũ.
I'm also part of the team that is implementing an innovative project called Beat or Eat the Locust. The project has been inspired by the locust, the recent locust invasion. And in this project, we propose to train 1,000 entrepreneurs. We will also train specialized desert collectors, about 400 youths. We are working in 4 counties, that is the county of Isiolo, the county of Samburu, the county of Marsabit, and the county of Laikipia.
It will change the livelihood of our people. We are pastoralists by nature. Now we will tell our people to change their lifestyle because a new product has come up actually. This locust, which used to be causing a lot of problem to our people when during that time, now it will be harvested and put into a use either as a food supplement or it can also be used as fertilizer.
So saa hii maisha lazima tubadilishe kama vijana kwa sababu kitambo wakati wa mababu zetu walikuwa wanakula tu nyama ya mbuzi, nyama ya kondoo, nyama ya ngamia, lakini baadaye sisi tulipokuja kuwa baadaye kusomeshwa na kusoma na tukaanza kukula kuku, pia tukakula samaki, tukakula vitu zingine pale. So still hata saa hii naona kwa in future bado tutakuja kukula hii locust na hii crickets.
Issues including also climate change and also issues like continuous recurrent droughts. And the other thing also is there's also proof to show that recovering from droughts is no longer easy. Right now, if you go to those communities that have lost their livestock, they will never recover.
Or if the community can embrace this, either for animal nutrition and health or human nutrition and health, then they can go a long way to overcome this food crisis. Or it could be an additional support food system to support the existing food systems. But also in terms of producing the insect for income, insects have a very short life cycle, and therefore it can be easily commercially produced and can also serve as a regular cash flow for our smallholder farmers.
Itakuwa na nafasi nzuri pia ya biashara kwa sababu tumeona ama tumesikia labda kwa jamii wa wafugaji kusema anza kula nzige itakuwa ni ngumu, lakini tukiwa na innovative way of doing it na hiyo product zake zilishwe kwa kuku na hata wanyama wetu wengine tayari hii
increases by more than 60% compared to farmer.
Tugetigane na icio no